Hi guys! Welcome sa ating panibagong Honor of Kings Zero tutorial. Sa video na to ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin si Luna. Pero bago tayo magsimula, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, ay mag-subscribe ka na para ma-update ka pag may bago akong upload. Umpisahan natin sa kanyang passive. Sa unang basic attack ni Luna ay mag-charge siya papunta sa kanyang target. Yung pangatlong basic attack niya naman ay magbibigay ng additional magic damage, tapos mag-iwan ito ng mark na Hugis Moon na makikita sa taas ng hero. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin kung para saan yung mark. Sa first kill naman niya ay maglalabas ng Moonwave si Luna. Meron itong magical damage na bigay, tapos malalagyan niya ng mark yung mga matatamaan ito. Yung second skill naman niya ay maglalabas siya ng bilog, tapos lahat ng nasa loob nito ay mahahatak at may stun na 0.5 seconds. May slow din ito na 50%, tapos malalagyan din ng mark yung mga matatamaan ito. Punta naman tayo sa kanyang ultimate. Para itong first skill ni Lancelot sa Mobile Legends. Pag ginamit mo ito sa kalaban na may mark, hindi magkukuldown yung ultimate mo. Pero kung nag-dash ka tapos yung tinamaan ng kalaban ay walang mark, hindi magre-reset yung cooldown ng ultimate mo. Ngayong alam nyo na yung mga skills ni Luna, magpunta naman tayo sa kanyang item at Arcana build. Ang unang item niya ay Rune Blade para sa jungle item. Sunod naman ay Boots of Resistance para sa mga crowd control effect. Yung pangatlo ay August Word na may bigay na magic damage, tapos may physical at magical defense din. Insatiable Tome para sa lifesteal, Long Night Guardian para sa magic defense, at Ominous Premonition para sa physical defense at slow. Sa Arcana naman niya ay 10 Nightmare, 10 Hunt, at 10 Mind's Eye. Panoorin niyo itong hinanda kong gameplay guys para mas maintindihan niyo kung paano nag-work yung mga skills ni Luna on game.
Charge! Charge! An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. You have slain an enemy. Charge! Killing spree. Your team has destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. Rampage. Double kill. An enemy has been slain. I wield my sword. Godlike. Blind them. Arch. I wield my sword. Piercing glory. Enemy killing spree. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Cannons moving out. Your team has destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. Blind them. Enemy double kill. Legendary. Blind them. Shut down. Have you fought my older brother? Shut down. An enemy has been slain. destroyed a turret. Shut down. An ally has been
Retreat!
slain.
Copy that. Have you fought my older brother?
Your team has destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. You have slain. An ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Your turret has been destroyed. Double kill.
Copy that.
An ally has been slain. Killing spree. Killing spree.
My sword is burning, and so is my heart.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.